everyone, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Out for Golf with Nancy. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. Now this idea I heard a long time ago on a TV show on Food Network. So it's not credit to me for coming up with this idea, but a restaurant, and I don't remember the name of the restaurant. But I'm quite sure if you put in the search bar Juicy Lucy burgers, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. We're doing it with turkey burger. So what we do, and I'm just gonna, usually I just scoop it out, let it fall in it. I am going to measure it out this time. So we got half a cup of, that's a half a cup. Let's see here. All right, we're going to do a half a cup with the first burger. We add some salt, some onion powder, and you can add garlic powder, black pepper, however you want to season your burgers. And I'm using my turmeric ginger mix. And you just mix this together. Alright, so how we do this? One side's going to be seasoned really good, one side probably won't be, but this is how Juicy Lucy's made. So, we got to make sure I'll get it together in just a moment. Alright, there we're going. So another half a cup. Use this plate to get this all together. Okay, so that's could be, so here's the bottom of your hamburger. All right, and what you want to do, and make sure the sides are good, because you're going to make like a little well in the middle. Like a little divot in here. So now that we got the plate out, we can put this back in here and season this side. And put the same season. You can change the seasonings. Have one side okay, the other side spicy. However you like your burgers. Alright, so in the middle here, we're going to put our cheese. Now, I don't have any sliced cheese. We're going to use shredded cheese. So we got that on there, all nice and good. Nick a piece of cheese. We're going to mix this other side of this burger together really well. Alright. And you put them together. There we go. And then it's like a burger sandwich. So we're going to put this in the air fryer. We're going to put it in the air fryer and we're going to fry this up. Now let's show you this go Alright. Wanted to just slide it right on in here. There we go. Alright. So we're going to do the air fryer. Air fryer's air quest. We're going to change the temp to, we're going to go up to 400. And we're going to do 15 minutes. Put the top down and let it go. And we'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. And we're going to check and see if this is done. And it looks like it is. So the trick is getting it out. You know, because this is hot. Alright. So we're going to do a couple things here. I'm going to move that to the side. Put this away from me so it comes right on out. Alright, there we go. Turn that off so that can cool. So here is our burger. Now, I'm going to cut up some onion and an egg. And we have these lovely biscuits that everybody had for dinner. These are pre-made biscuits. So, thank you to Pillsbury for making them dairy-free. We're going to have a Juicy Lucy biscuit. So, since we've got cheese in the middle, we can add a little bit more cheese on top. Alrighty, so then we can add, we're going to slice up an egg, however you slice yours up. And we're going to put some egg on there, like so. Then we're going to put some onion on it too. I'll make sure y'all can see what I'm doing. There we go. Now, I made some mayonnaise the other day. You want to add some good old-fashioned mayonnaise on there. And we have this nice honey mustard sauce too. So we'll add that too. I'll make sure. Can y'all see what I'm doing? There we go. And drizzle that on here. So that's one burger done. We'll get a taste test in a minute. So I'm going to set this to the side. And we have some chicken left over. So I'm going to show y'all what we do with this chicken. Cheese is not allowed to fall off. So I am just cutting it up. You could just sit there and you can put it in your blender to make it, or shred it. Take the different pieces of the chicken. And I went ahead and added the same seasonings. There was salt, onion powder, and my turmeric. Alright. So just like a rough chop there. This is what we're going to do next. We're going to add some mayonnaise. mayonnaise, the easiest thing to do is start off with a little. You can always add more. So it depends on how we call wet you like your chicken salad, your egg salad. And ironic, you take and make egg salad with mayonnaise, which is made from eggs. Alright, I think that's enough. I can always add more to the sandwich. We're going to add some honey mustard. So that will help out too. Just a little drizzle there. And we're going to mix this up really well. And then you can add other things to your chicken salad. You can add pepper, paprika, kinds of things. I'm going to add a little bit of thyme. And a little bit of basil. Yes, combining two culinary ingredients. Actually, to me, it tastes pretty good. Alright, so let's bring our plate over. And I'm going to show y'all what I do with this. Alright, we're going to move these to the side for right now. Bring our other biscuit over. Open that up. And we're going to add our chicken. Pile high chicken. There we go. Alright, so our chicken is on there. And we're going to add some onion. And like I said, you can always add, put mayonnaise right there. A lot of onions. Alright, so let's add a little bit here on the top. And there we go. Alright. Y'all know what time that is. It's taste test time. We're going to do the burger last because that's the best part. So here's a chicken salad biscuit. I'm trying to think of my name. Oh, that's so good. The flavors go so well together. Oh, it's so good. Alright, here we go with the burger. Y'all ready? That cheese is right there in the middle. Oh my goodness. That is delicious. That cheese in the middle all melting and then the cheese on top. And the flavors just come through. Especially doing it in the air fryer. Wow. That's 2 meals in one. So, thank y'all for coming by. We love y'all. God bless. And we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and I Forgot with Nancy. Have a wonderful evening.